The sun is screaming at you right now. Every 5 minutes, sound waves pulse through it, moving its surface up and down by 3 kilometers. The sound would reach 100 decibels on Earth, as loud as a motorcycle running non-stop. But space is a vacuum. Sound needs atoms to travel. Space has fewer than 5 atoms per cubic centimeter. So silence. NASA records these acoustic waves anyway. They speed them up 42,000 times to make them audible. Scientists use this to map the sun's interior, peering 200,000 kilometers deep. Here's the wild part. If you stood on the sun's surface, the sound would hit 290 decibels. That's so powerful it would kill you instantly. The sun's voice is louder than death itself.